Long way down.
It's down. First fall. First fall.
You have that on YouTube?
Yep. I went down. Ah! I don't know where this dirt road taking us, but very sandy.
Yeah.
Well, another break. These dirt road wear you out, man. But check this out. What the heck are these? Little mountains. Right here. They're all over the place. Right here. There. I just poked one of these. What is it? It's not ants. It's termite. It's not termite. What is it? Anybody know? What the hell this mount? Look, all over the place. This is a good spot to camp here, back here with your bike. If you can get back here. Nice open spot. Right, Mike?
Arm workout today.
Yeah, this really give you a good workout fighting the sugar sand. Been in here like for the past 2 hours. Down again. Oh. Oh. Yep. Really soft sand here. You probably want to stop there. Look how deep sand. I don't know, you want to pass me? Ah, shit!
My leg got... If you have this boot. God damn. That's not always something.
Really soft here.
Guess I got the boot.
I think we better pick it up cruiser.
That's what fucked me up right here. I was trying to avoid that fucking stuff.
Yep. No, because you looked at it. because I was right here. See this? I tried to avoid this big old tree. And then I went down. This big tree right here. See this? I like, fuck. I gotta get over. And then I went, whoop, soft sand. And it's heavy. I couldn't lift this one up.
Let me help.
Yeah. 3 times a day. Sometimes you have a good day. Sometimes you have a bad day. All right, which way? Ready? 1, 2, 3. May have too much weight. We got about a mile or 2, Mike.
Yeah.
Down this curve here, it's going downhill. A lot of sand there. It's gonna be fun. Woo! Oh, this horse. I heard an oh shit.
I dropped down this root.
And it hit this tree stump. Went over. Oh, poor bike. Another.
This looks kind of heavy, dude.
Yes, hang
Need
on.
help.
Okay. Little damage there. Nah, no damage, just dirt. Nothing else. He caught his black beauty. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
Just a dirt nap. That's all.
A little scratchy on there, but it's a hard smack. Oh, fuck, right here.
Oh, is that new?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Crack! Crash bar would come in handy. Oh! That's new too. He cracked that whole pharynx. I see freedom! Woohoo! 100 yards! Freedom! There's still a lot of sand in here. Woo! old slab of pork right there over the fire. Slow cook.